When it comes to HVAC systems, there are a few common problems that homeowners in Jacksonville, Florida may encounter. One of the most frequent issues is the need for emergency HVAC repair, especially during the hot and humid summers in the area. HVAC system repair may also be required for issues such as faulty thermostats, clogged filters, or refrigerant leaks. Regular HVAC maintenance can help prevent these problems from occurring. As a homeowner in Jacksonville, I have experienced these HVAC issues firsthand. Thankfully, Bold City Heating and Air, a trusted HVAC contractor in the area, was able to provide me with the necessary AC repair and maintenance services. Their team of professionals was knowledgeable, efficient, and reliable. They were able to quickly diagnose and fix the issues with my HVAC system, ensuring that my home stayed cool and comfortable throughout the year. I highly recommend Bold City Heating and Air for all HVAC repair and maintenance needs in Jacksonville, Florida. When it comes to your HVAC system, it is important to pay attention to signs that indicate it may need repair. For residential and commercial properties alike, keeping your HVAC system in top condition is crucial for comfort and energy efficiency. Some common signs that your HVAC system may need repair include strange noises, weak airflow, inconsistent temperatures, and a sudden increase in energy bills. If you notice any of these signs, it is important to contact Jacksonville HVAC repair experts as soon as possible. Bold City Heating and Air, a trusted HVAC service provider in Jacksonville, Florida, offers reliable residential and commercial HVAC repair services. They have a team of skilled technicians who can diagnose and fix any issues with your HVAC system efficiently and effectively. Bold City Heating and Air helped me with all of my HVAC repair needs, providing top-notch service and ensuring that my system was back up and running smoothly in no time. Trusting the experts at Bold City Heating and Air for your HVAC repair needs is a decision you won't regret. When it comes to HVAC systems, troubleshooting common issues can help homeowners save time and money. By familiarizing yourself with some basic tips, you may be able to address minor problems on your own before calling in a professional. Some common HVAC issues include uneven cooling or heating, strange noises coming from the unit, or a sudden increase in energy bills. If you are experiencing any of these problems, there are a few things you can check before reaching out for help. Make sure your air filters are clean, check the thermostat settings, and inspect the outdoor unit for any debris or obstructions. If these steps do not solve the issue, it may be time to call a professional for assistance. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, offers reliable HVAC repair services to help with any issues you may be facing. With their expertise and affordable HVAC repair options, you can trust that your system will be up and running smoothly in no time. Whether you need a quick fix or a more extensive repair, Bold City Heating and Air is there to help. When it comes to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, having a reliable HVAC system is essential. However, like any other mechanical system, HVAC systems can experience issues over time. This is where professional HVAC repair services come in handy. Professional HVAC repair specialists have the expertise and experience to diagnose and fix a wide range of HVAC issues efficiently. Whether it's a minor repair or a major overhaul, hiring a professional HVAC repair company can ensure that your system is back up and running smoothly in no time. One of the main benefits of professional HVAC repair services is the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your system is in good hands. With 24-hour HVAC repair availability, you can rest easy knowing that help is just a phone call away, no matter the time of day. I recently had the opportunity to work with Bold City Heating and Air, a leading HVAC repair company in Jacksonville, Florida, and I was impressed with their professionalism and expertise. The HVAC repair experts at Bold City Heating and Air were able to quickly identify and fix the issue with my system, restoring comfort to my home in no time. When it comes to ensuring the energy efficiency of your HVAC system, there are several solutions to consider. One important aspect to look for when seeking HVAC services is to find licensed and certified professionals who can provide reliable repairs. It is also essential to look for HVAC repair quotes and reviews to ensure that you are getting the best service possible. Additionally, Having an HVAC repair warranty can provide you with peace of mind knowing that your system is protected. I recently had the pleasure of working with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida for all of my HVAC repair needs. Their team of licensed and certified technicians provided me with excellent service, ensuring that my system was running efficiently. They provided me with accurate quotes, and their stellar reviews gave me confidence in their work. With a solid HVAC repair warranty in place, I knew that I was in good hands with Bold City Heating and Air. When it comes to indoor air quality, one of the key components to consider is the role of HVAC filters. HVAC filters are designed to trap dust, dirt, pollen, and other airborne particles, preventing them from circulating throughout your home. This not only helps to improve the air quality in your living space but also keeps your HVAC system running efficiently. Regularly changing your HVAC filters is essential to ensure that they are effectively capturing these particles. A clogged or dirty filter can restrict airflow, causing your system to work harder and potentially leading to issues that may require HVAC repair diagnostics. In my experience, Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida has been instrumental in providing quality HVAC repair services, including reliable and fast HVAC repair for emergency AC repair situations. They have helped me with ensuring that my HVAC filters are changed regularly and are properly installed, contributing to better indoor air quality in my home. Their expertise and professionalism have made them my go-to choice for all my HVAC needs. When it comes to HVAC systems, regular maintenance is key to ensuring a long and efficient lifespan for your unit. By scheduling routine inspections and cleanings, you can prevent costly repairs and extend the overall longevity of your HVAC system. Additionally, changing your air filters regularly and keeping the area around your outdoor unit clear of debris can also help improve the performance of your system. I recently had the opportunity to work with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida to address some issues with my HVAC system. Their top-rated HVAC repair services near Jacksonville, Florida were exactly what I needed to keep my unit running smoothly. With their trusted and experienced HVAC repair technicians, I was able to address any issues with my system and get expert advice on how to extend the lifespan of my HVAC unit. Thanks to their exceptional service, I feel confident that my HVAC system will continue to operate efficiently for years to come. When it comes to HVAC technology, staying up to date with the latest trends is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and energy efficiency in your home. From smart thermostats to energy-efficient systems, the HVAC industry is constantly evolving to meet the needs of modern homeowners. Understanding HVAC repair estimates, pricing, deals, financing, and insurance options can help you make informed decisions when it comes to maintaining your HVAC system. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, has been instrumental in helping me navigate the world of HVAC technology. Their expertise in providing accurate repair estimates, competitive pricing, and attractive financing options made it easy for me to address any issues with my HVAC system. Additionally, their knowledge of available deals and insurance options gave me peace of mind knowing that my investment was protected. With Bold City Heating and Air's assistance, I was able to stay ahead of the latest trends in HVAC technology and keep my home comfortable year-round.